of the volcano, the first thing we need is the manganese dioxide. Repeat after me. Manganese dioxide. Dioxide. Manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide. Put a little manganese dioxide. And then add some hand lotion. And the last thing is hydrogen peroxide. Repeat after me. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. Are you ready to see the lava? So again, to have the lava of the volcano, we need three things. The first thing is manganese dioxide. Repeat after me. Manganese dioxide. And hand washing. And the last thing is hydrogen peroxide. Repeat after me. Again, hydrogen peroxide. Peroxide.